I need coffee this morning. Good morning and welcome to day 8 of the Advent Calendars. It is Sunday, December the 8th, and I am extremely tired. That's because my alarm went off and I didn't mean it to. I had it still set for during the week and I wanted to kind of sleep in, but that did not happen. So let's open the coffee and see what today's flavors bring us, and join me for today's mellow adventure. All right. If you've been following along, I'm really enjoying the coffee. All right, hold on a second. There we go. Okay, we had something similar yesterday. This is now peppermint mocha versus mint, and the mint was good. So, all right, let's make this cup of coffee. All right, just a little bit of vanilla creamer this morning. It needs a little bit sweeter. This is okay. I've also waited a little bit. It's a little colder than I want it to be because I let it sit for a few minutes. But yeah, that's not my favorite of the bunch. But all right, well, I may actually end up dumping this and getting one of the coffees that I really like. But hopefully tomorrow will be a little better. All right, so I'm going to go edit yesterday's video of the parade. So you will have already seen it by the time you see this. And I'm going to go about my day and we'll do the wine a little bit later. In video time, it'll be like the next part probably. Unless I do something run later. All right, I'll see you in a bit. This is now our little holiday, Christmas and Hanukkah present area. I just finished wrapping the last Hanukkah gift for my husband. I worked all day and then came home and wrapped a present. So I am officially done shopping for him and almost for everyone else. I still have a bunch of other wrapping to do. Haven't gotten that done yet. All right, well now it's time to relax and have some wine. So let's check out what wine it is this evening. All right, there's 8. I have a feeling if it keeps going back and forth, this is probably a white. It is not. Oh, it's an Old Vine Zinfandel. I typically love Old Vine Zinfandels. Let's look this one up. Okay. So this one, enticing aromas of ripe blackberries, cherries, hint of baking spices, then a palate full of full-bodied luscious flavors of dark plum, bramble, fruits, touch of vanilla. The Old World vine that I like is called Oz, and that one has undertones of mocha and chocolate at the end. Don't think this one's gonna have that. And this is a California wine. And we already ate dinner, but barbecue ribs, spicy Italian sausage, and grilled portobello mushrooms. All right, let's go see what cheese it is paired with. All right, here is 8. It is going to be a black pepper Gouda. All right, let's go try it out. Okay, Evan, Old World Zin. I usually really like an Old World Zin. Now, when I just looked it up, it did not say it has notes of chocolate and stuff. But the one that we get from Cooper's Hawk, I don't know what those notes are supposed to be of it. All right, here we go. It's okay. It's too dry at the end.
It's too thin. No body to it.
Yeah, it's a California wine. The one we get at Cooper's Hawk is really, really good. And then, like I said, the one I get at the grocery store, Oz, that's an Old World Zin. All right, we're gonna pair it with the black pepper Gouda.
The cheese itself is okay.
Yeah, it's not my favorite because of the black pepper. It's better with the wine. It's better with the cheese. What do you think? Better with the cheese? Let me take one more bite. You got the rest.
What's interesting is that usually these cheeses that have the black pepper or whatever else, the truffle, it's usually not too detectable. Mm-hmm. This black pepper is very strong in this cheese, or the cheese is so light that the pepper here is strong. I still don't like the whole.
No. This is not one of my favorite tastings that we've had.
No.
But it's not horrible. You want any more cheese?
No.
All right. So yeah, that is going to do it for the wine and cheese for day 8. It was an okay day. I ended up dumping my coffee this morning. It wasn't good. Also, I noticed that when I was pouring the vanilla creamer, it looked gloopier to me. I was like, ooh, what is that? I looked at the expiration date. Yeah, it expired December 3rd. So I'm like, probably shouldn't drink this. So I dumped that creamer and got one from the fridge that I knew is good till March. So that might be part of the reason I wasn't thrilled with today's coffee. So we can't blame it on the coffee. So, all right, well, that is going to do it for today. Like I said, I worked all day, and this is going to be a very short and sweet video. But tomorrow, we'll do it all again. So thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on tomorrow's adventure.